The Burj Al Arab is arguably one of the most iconic hotels in the world. Often referred to as a 7-star hotel, is one of the most over-the-top things in Dubai, a city known for excess. The hotel is so exclusive that it's on a man-made island with a gate, and you can only enter if you're a guest, or otherwise have a reservation at the hotel either for a tour or for one of the very expensive dining outlets. But first, let's take you to Reservation Experience. The reservation for a room will cost you from $2,500 to $3,500, but depending upon your choice and stay in the hotel, the cost will vary. As you will be escorted to your room, the staff inside the hotel will offer you one of the recommendations to have a gold cappuccino in the lobby lounge. It's very popular and Insta-worthy picture for Instagram. While rooms at the Burj Al Arab are very expensive, we have to give the hotel credit for the generous room sizes. Entry-level rooms at the hotel are 170 square meters, over 1,800 square feet, and are duplex suites. The base rooms here would be considered presidential suites at other hotels. Each room is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and amenities such as jacuzzis, rain showers, and personal butler service. The leisure terrace pool is set amidst beautiful landscaping and features a shallow water area for younger guests to enjoy. The pool also has a swim-up bar, allowing guests to sip on refreshing cocktails while taking a dip. The pool is open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. The infinity pool on the 18th floor is located adjacent to the hotel's iconic Gold on 27 bar and offers a stunning panoramic view of Dubai's skyline. The pool has a temperature-controlled feature, making it possible for guests to swim any time of the year. It is open 24 hours a day. The dining experience at Burj Al Arab is unmatched in its luxury and opulence. The hotel boasts a range of exquisite restaurants and dining options that cater to all tastes and preferences. Guests can indulge in a culinary journey like no other, with a variety of cuisines and dining concepts to choose from. One of the standout dining options is Al Mahara, an underwater restaurant that offers a truly unique experience. Located in a mesmerizing aquarium, guests can enjoy a meal surrounded by a breathtaking marine environment. The restaurant specializes in seafood, with a focus on the freshest ingredients and innovative preparation techniques. Taking a tour of what lies inside one of the world's finest hotels, on the inside Burj Al Arab, that will cost from $65, and according to your tour experience the rate will last. Stepping inside Burj Al Arab, you will feel the warmth of luxury as you make your way across gilded corridors to see what lies inside. Accompanied by a butler, you will get to revel in richness throughout the tour, starting with the royal suite on this immersive experience. As you learn about the never-seen-before elements of design that went into making the Burj Al Arab, your guide will take you through the boutique and exclusive areas on the 25th floor set against phenomenal backdrops. Feel free to capture as many memories as you'd like as you make your way through the lap of luxury. You will step into 780 square meter suite by a private elevator. You get your own private dining area. In case you don't want to attend one of 7 world-class restaurants in the hotel, you will get to experience your own giant Arabic-style lounge. And also you will walk through a private cinema and a private library. Now let's walk up the gold and marble staircase. You will head to the master bedroom with a rotating 4-poster canopy bed. This is the second bedroom. Each bedroom has an adjoining marble bathroom with spa bath and walk-in shower. Fine porcelain fittings and products from Kelly Kalesh for women and Terra de Hermes for men. And of course you get a chauffeur-driven Rolls-Royce. Helicopter transfers are available at a charge. You can also add to your experience at the inside Burj Al Arab boutique, that many abundant souvenirs, merchandise, and more for you to take a piece of experience back home with you. If you have visited such a spectacular place, comment down your experience.